Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, well, welcome back. So, I have a PR package unboxing, and it's some diamond paintings from Paint Some Way. So, thank you to Paint Some Way for sending me these items to review on my channel for you guys. Thank y'all, and I appreciate it. And I'm gonna get started. I hope everybody's doing good. Today, it's gonna rain in Louisiana. I'm in Louisiana, and it's gonna rain here, of course. It's gonna rain all week, so there's that. The weather over here is like, have no clue. Mother Nature has no idea what she wants at all. At all. Like, 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's hot, 1 minute it's freezing in the 20s. Swear, she has mixed emotions. So Paint Some Way's diamond paintings come with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. Everything you need to get started diamond painting, all in one kit. I did order a round drill, and it is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 18 colors, and this is the image. Y'all, look at those flowers, how pretty. I love this. I love the colors of the flowers. I love the background. I just love this image. I love it. Look how cute. The drill field is clear, as you can see. They have a legend on the top left with the DMC codes and a legend on the bottom right here. I hope y'all can see that. And then this is the thumbnail. I love it. It's so cute. It is a 30 by 40 centimeter. And this one was $4.99 at the time I looked on their website. I'm gonna go up with my chair. It was $4.99 at the time that I looked on their website. So I'm gonna show y'all up close. Look how cute. I love it. It's so cute, y'all. I'm trying to see what I show y'all. It doesn't have that much confetti. It's not bad at all. These are normally not bad for confetti. They're not really confetti heavy. I'll put the camera down a little bit. So that's the painting. And like I said, it has 18 colors. Look at these colors. And it is a round drill. I love it. And I'm gonna check the stickiness. I usually have they don't normally have no problems. I love this photo, y'all. I just love it. The colors are cute, everything. These are the colors of the color palette of the drills. They are round drills. They do come in Ziploc baggies, already kitted up, so it's convenient for y'all. And this is the colors. Look how pretty those colors are. Oh my God. I love these colors. The color palette is cute. So cute, y'all. Cute, cute, cute. Look at those. I love these aquas and the blues. So cute. I love them. I normally don't have any problems with their drills. But y'all, this would be cute for hashtag Born Life 24, because flowers do grow in the by the barn. Y'all know, leave it to me, because I think it's adorable. Who knows, I might do that. Y'all, I want to do so many. I just don't have enough time to do them. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description portion of this video, and the link to their website, to Paint Some Way's website. Let's see if I can get this one. So again, it comes with a kit, a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. Everything you need to get started diamond painting. Y'all, I thought this one was so cute, and I don't know why, but I really like it. And y'all know I don't get big ones like this ever, but like as for budget friendly. So this one has 23 colors. Y'all, look how cute she is. Isn't this pretty? I loved it when I saw it. I never got anything like it before. I never purchased anything like it before, or for anything. So in something like this, y'all, it's so cute. Look how pretty. I love this. I don't know why. I think it's just so peaceful looking. Yeah, that'd be me. That'd be me right here. I love it. It's so cute. This is what the thumbnail looks like. So cute, y'all. The drill field is clear, as y'all can see. They have a legend on the top left, and it has 23 colors. Legend on the bottom right. Look how it's a round drill, y'all, and it is a 35 by 45. 35 by 45. Look how cute. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. I would love to work on this one. Like, because it, I don't know what it is about it. I like it. And it is a round drill. Oh, let me see if I can get closer. It's a round drill, and the drills came in these packets, so I'm not going to take them out. These are the colors. Let me see if I could. A lot of neutrals, blues, purples, neutral colors, white. So cute. I love it, y'all. I love this. What do y'all think about this? Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think about this one. It's different for me, y'all know, but I love it. I don't know, something about it. I really love it. I love the scenery. I like a lot of, if y'all, I like scenery stuff. I like oceans and farmlands and, you know, I don't know. I guess that's just me, my thing. But I just really love this one for some reason. I don't know. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's so pretty. I love it. Now, oh, that's it. That's it. I thought I had one more. I only had two. So those are the two I got. That one was $6.99. She's called Lake Girl. And I'm going to link both of those in the description portion of this video and the link to their website so y'all can go check them out. Paint Some Way has many different diamond paintings, like so many. They are a budget-friendly company, and they have more things than diamond paintings. So y'all go check them out, and everything will be linked in the description portion of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye.